you can also attribute other points on this sort of scale. If I saw a recent video of a YouTuber went viral where this guy said like 7 levels of fluency, and he had like these 7 levels. You could absolutely have those like 7 levels on this continuum, right? And that's obvious, and that's like a fun idea to sort of exercise. But in my opinion, there's only 2 productive points of fluency. So the first one is conversational, and the second one is what I like to call native fluency, which is where you're indistinguishable from a native. These 2 points, the reason why I consider them the 2 most productive or useful points on this sort of scale is because conversational fluency requires like less effort than native fluency, yet the benefits you get when you reach conversational fluency that completely outweigh the benefits you'll get from going from conversational fluency to native fluency. And I like to call this the effort discrepancy between reaching conversational fluency and reaching native level fluency. Because reaching conversational fluency doesn't take nearly as much effort as it does to reach native level fluency, right? It takes way more effort to reach native level fluency. Yet the results you get from achieving conversational fluency vastly outweighs the results you get from reaching native level fluency. And so what this means is for your goals is that when you say you want to get fluent, what a majority of people really mean is that they want to reach conversational fluency, meaning they want to have basically a fluent back and forth with a native, a back and forth flow. Okay. And, there can be mistakes, there can be pauses, there can be stutters. But if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.